The Venetian got sold. That's the hotel that I have a lot of experience with in Las Vegas. Maybe even you do.
Yeah.
Remember that?
First CES there for me. And it's a swanky hotel, I got to tell you.
Were you staying in that hotel?
Yeah. It was, it was so luxurious. It was nice.
Right. You know what I like? They had really thick curtains. When you're trying to sleep, you just have a real blackout, and it's on a remote. I always like that. You know what else I liked about the Venetian? I like how the rooms have the living area, like with the couch, the sunken section.
Yeah.
They're all suites. Like every room is a suite. So there's a spot to hang out and then a spot to sleep and a huge bath. I mean, yeah, it's a good time. That one doesn't have the couch in it. You got to get the one with the couch. That's my advice.
This has the couch.
No, the L shape. You got to get the one with the L shaped couch.
The super expensive ones?
Okay. Maybe it was expensive. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't remember. There's one. It has a nice large. That's an L-shaped couch. Yeah, there. You clicked on it, but then it didn't come up for some reason. That one there. It's the purple L-shaped couch. Anyway, I stayed here too many times.
Sure.
And it was convenient because they had good internet.
Their internet was amazing.
It was gigabit, right?
From what I remember.
Yeah, it was gigabit. And of course, we all started to figure out where you had to go to get the right internet. And there would be some events that would take place in the lobby over there, and your proximity to convention center was good. I don't know. It just ended up being a place I stayed more often than not. And it was part of the Sands. The Sands company owned it. They owned the Sands Convention Center. Obviously, they owned the Palazzo Tower and the Venetian Tower. But they're getting out of Las Vegas. The guy, I guess it was he was the CEO or the president, Sheldon Adelson. He recently died. He died this year. And the company, even prior to his death, had shifted a lot of their focus to Asia. They got something going on in Singapore. I'm sure you've seen a famous hotel, the Sands Hotel in Singapore.
Marina Bay.
And they got another one in Macau. And so they're going to put their focus over there. So they sold. Now, nothing's going to happen. I mean, it's not like it's going anywhere. It's a big deal, man. $6.25 billion. That's a lot of money. I mean, it's a huge hotel, though. I'll tell you what. Actually, I believe when you combine Palazzo and Venetian, because they are connected underground, I believe when you combine them, they account for the most rooms of any hotel in Vegas, if you combine them. Otherwise, if you're not willing to combine them as one hotel, I think MGM Grand might have more rooms. But anyway, it's a ton of rooms over there.
And it's right on the strip.
Right on the strip. $6.25 billion is the deal. So they'll still be there. It's going to be operated by a different group. I don't know how much of it will change as far as what's going on in there, but the Sands company is going to put its focus on Asia and the Macau operation, Singapore operation, presumably whatever else they're looking to do over there. So we'll see if it remains the same. But Vegas has been hit. We're talking about all these companies, all these places and stores and things that have been hit by this. Imagine Vegas, dude. They lost CES, 50,000, 100,000 people coming in there, bringing money, going to the restaurants, and you got to feel a little bit for Vegas.
Yeah, they're hurting.
You got to feel a little bit.